Hello class 2. Welcome to your value education class children. So this is your value education book, as you all know, that inspiration for life. So open your book at page number 32, 3 to 32. Children, we have completed chapter 6. Explanation of chapter 6 is already done, and chapter 5's question answer I have already sent, and then I will send you the question answer of chapter 6. Okay, as we have completed discussing the chapter, all the question answers that are given on page number 31. This is page number 31, and if you fill in the blanks, all these things I'll send you through telegram. Okay, you don't worry. Now let us start chapter number 7. Okay, so open your book at chapter 7 on page number 32, 3 to 32. Right, we'll start. What is the name of the chapter? The name is An Ideal Citizen. Okay, so we all are the citizen of our country, like we live in the country India. What is the name of our country? India, isn't it? Whoever we live here, we are the citizen of India, isn't it? We are the citizen of India. So children, you know that we have two songs. One is national anthem, another one is national song, right? National song and national anthem, isn't it? So here the value that we are going to inculcate after this chapter is the love for countrymen. So we all live in our country and we should love each other, isn't it? We should love each other dearly. Now start the class with the national song of India. Do you know which is the national song of India? You all know national anthem. Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Bhagya Vidhata. Who has written this? Our national anthem is written by Rabindranath Tagore, right? In the same way, we also have national song. So our national song is Bande Mataram. It is written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, right? Isn't it? Now, we will start the class with the national song of India. You know what is our national song? Bande Mataram. So isn't it? So let us sing the song together. Will you sing the song? So get ready to sing the song. Bande Mataram Sujalam Shubhalam Malayaj Sheetalam Shashamala Mataram Bande Mataram Shubhro Joshna Pulakitayamini Pullakusumitadrumadalashobhini Shuhashini Shumadhurabhashini Sukhadam Varadam Mataram Bande Mataram. So this is our national song. Everyone must learn it, isn't it? We should know our national song and our national anthem. Every day in our school we sing, isn't it? We sing national anthem before the class in our assembly. So these two songs are very important in the life of an Indian. Okay. So we have started the chapter with our national song. Now we know that India is a very large country. What is the name of our country? India, right? So where is the capital of India located? It is in New Delhi. We have learned in GK also. So let us start the chapter. India is a large country. It is a land of diversities. People belonging to different castes, creed and religion live here in harmony. Hindi is our national language. Beside Hindi, different people speak different languages based on the place to which they belong. Here are some languages spoken in our country like Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Kashmiri, Malayalam, Marathi, Odia, Punjabi, Telugu, Urdu and so many more. Okay. Now we know that India is a land of diversity, means people here, they have faith in different religion, they practice different religion, they follow different religion, they have different customs, their tradition is different, their language is different, even their dress code is different according to the region where we live. India is a big country, and how many states do we have? 29 states, right? So here people who live in a particular region, they have a particular type of food habit, even their dressing code. So India is a land of multi diversity. Here multi language, people speak different languages, isn't it? They follow, they practice different religions. Some are Hindu, some are Muslim, some are Christian, some are Parsis, isn't it? So people here, it is known as India has a very striking feature, okay, that is it is a land of diversity. People, they here, people are of different caste, they belong to different creed, they follow different religion, but still we all live in harmony, means we all live in peace, okay. And our national languages, though we have different languages in different state, but our national language is one, this is Hindi, okay. Now, and people, different people, they speak different language based on the place. I have already told you where they live, okay. So here some of the languages like given, like Assamese, the people who live in Assam, they speak Assamese. Bengalis, Gujarati, Kashmiris, isn't it? So these were different reason, different state, they have different state language, like Marathi, Odia, Punjabi, Telugu, Urdu, etc. Okay. Now come to page number 33. India celebrate different religious festivals. Some of them are, and in India is a land of festival also, you can say. So Indians we celebrate different religious festivals also. We celebrate Eid, we celebrate Christmas, Diwali, Durga Puja, Guru Parab, etc. So here you can see some pictures given. Here they are celebrating Eid. So these people, they are celebrating Guru Parab, then people celebrating Christmas, people celebrating Diwali, Durga Puja, many more festivals are also here, religious festival that we celebrate, right? Though we have different religion, we are from different religion, we have faith in different god, we have faith in different tradition and culture, we perform different rituals and rites, though we are all one, we live in harmony, means peaceful, okay. So this is this describes our country, okay. Now, national festival, we have three national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. And we have three national festivals. As we have religious festival, we have national festivals also. Okay, so there are three national festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Isn't it? So the British ruled our country for a long time. Finally, India got independence on 15th August 1947. Before that, English, British, they came to our country and they ruled us. Okay, we celebrate this day as our Independence Day. When do we celebrate Independence Day? 15th August. On every 15th August, we celebrate Independence Day. You all like to celebrate it? Yes, we organize many cultural program in our school, right? So, this is our Independence Day. Then on 26th January 1950, India became republic. On 26th of January 1950, our country became republic. This day is celebrated as Republic Day, and this day we celebrate this 26th January every year as Republic Day. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter. We know that Mahatma Gandhi, we have many freedom fighters, and Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest freedom fighter. Isn't it? He was a great freedom fighter. He was born on 2nd October 1869. And when he was born, 2nd October 1869. So, every year his birthday is also celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. And every year we celebrate his birthday as Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, we are on page number 34. So, we will discuss this chapter up to here today in this video. Next day we will continue with this. Okay, right? So here in this chapter, we have started the chapter, that is chapter 7, and we have completed up the whole page, that is up to till page number 33. From next day, on the next day, we will start the next part, that is page number 34 of this chapter itself. Okay, till then you go through the chapter once. Thank you.